Have you ever wondered if you can take your everyday kitchen scraps and turn them into garden gold and grow bigger and healthier vegetables? Well, today we're going to take my compost made in my Vego composter and spread it around my garden and put it to the test to see if we can grow bigger and healthier vegetables. Let's get started. So in this container here, we have compost that we made and have been making for approximately 2 to 3 weeks. And it should be enough to cover all my containers. And as I said before, it's just compost made from everyday ordinary kitchen scraps. The container I got from Vego, I think it's cute, and I can put my compost in it and it gets enough air so that it doesn't start to smell when it's inside the house. So we're going to go ahead and start spreading compost on my peppers and my remaining tomatoes. So this is one of my jalapeno plants, and all I'm going to do is to pull back the mulch from around it. And I'm going to take the compost after I put my gloves on, of course. Okay, we have the glove on. I'm going to grab some of the compost that's here and just spread it around the base of the plant. Then we're going to take our mulch and cover it back up. And I'm going to do that for all my plants going down this row. So all of my containers on this side, minus my lemon balm and a spent tomato plant that I accidentally cut the root on, have been fed with the compost. And this time there was quite a lot of it, so I was able to do all of these. I also did my grow bags over here, and we also were able to do our bell peppers. Now what I'm going to do next is to give them their monthly feeding, or their bi-monthly feeding rather. We're going to use my fertilization canister. I've already put my fertilizer in, and we're just going to walk around and water the plants thoroughly. People often think fertilizer alone grows vegetables. The truth is, healthy soil grows healthy vegetables. One reason I love compost is because it's gentle. There's very little risk of burning plants like you can with some chemical fertilizer. It also feeds the soil over time instead of washing away after one rain. As the compost continues to break down, earthworms, fungi, bacteria, and other beneficial organisms go to work creating even healthier soil. Every season, your garden gets better. I hope today's video encouraged you to give composting a try. Whether you're using an indoor composter like the Vego or another composting method, every batch helps build healthier soil and healthier plants. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below letting me know. Do you compost your kitchen scraps? And what's your favorite way to fertilize your garden? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next gardening adventure. Happy gardening!